guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Silver Swag Box for July. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so July 2023 box just arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what's going to be in the July box, and let's see what theme they have for this summertime. So excited to see their themes. So when we open her up, it says, "Hello, July," right on top. When we remove the sticker, there's a sneak peek to inside of the box, and it says, "This month presents Pardon My French." Pardon my French. How cute. So that's what it looks like inside. Now for this one, you get two different cards. One of them is going to go over the stuff that is inside of your box and give you a little bit of information on it. And then the other one is going to give you some talking points. So if you want to talk to somebody, no matter if you're at a doctor's office, a bus stop, you have a neighbor, a friend, family, whichever, it gives you some talking points. And I think it's cute because it actually goes with the theme of the box. So it says, "Summer is a great time to travel and explore new places. This month is all about globe-trotting experiences. Share your best traveled stories using these questions. What is the most interesting place you have ever traveled to? Why was it memorable? Do you prefer to plan every detail of a trip, or are you more of a go with the flow person? What is one place you've always wanted to visit? Have you ever taken a solo trip? Where did you go? How was the experience? Have you ever had a travel mishap or unexpected experience? How did that turn out? Send love, stay connected, get talking." So again, you have all of that, and there is the theme. I think that's so cute. So let's start going through the box and seeing what we have. Right on top is this right here, and it looks like it's some kind of a case of some sort. So it says, "Vive and Lou, made especially for you," is the tag. It's a travel jewelry case. Oh, okay. So let's pop this up a little and let's see what it looks like on the inside. I'm not sure if there's different colors that's sent at random, but this is what I received. You can actually use this for anything. It doesn't have to be jewelry if you have it for arts and crafts or for anything like that, but you do have like these little pockets on the side right there. So if you wanted to stick some stuff, or if you want to put nail polish in here or something like that, it might fit. It might be a little too tall, but you can put anything in here if you would like. It says, "Solve your jewelry travel needs with this zippered jewelry case. Store large items in the center and small items in the 8 mini pockets." So there's 8 of those things that go around the circle. So there's this. That's really neat, especially like I said, you can use it for anything. So next we have, it's from the Candy Club, which I love. It's all stuck to the top of it. So it says vanilla creme brulee. It says France series on this side. So going with their theme, look at how cute. This is the Trace Chick Vanilla Creme Brulee Bonbons. Take dessert to go as you head out on the town or catch your next flight. That is so neat. Again, I love Candy Club. They have amazing candy, and it's supposed to be like a bonbon. Ooh, shake your bonbon, shake your bonbon. It looks like little marshmallows. Let's see if I can grab one out like that. Oh my goodness. You see that ball? Oh my goodness. It was like an amazing burst. Opened up of just melted chocolate. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to hide these. These are so good. I'm not even mad that they're melted together because it's literally over 100 degrees here. But I gotta have another one. These are so good. Oh my goodness. These are definitely not lasting long in this house. They wouldn't even be able to make it to my flight. So now let's see what else is in here. It looks like we have a few things of tea in here, which definitely goes with the theme. It says Paris fruity black tea with bergamot oil. There's 3 of these right here. This black tea is infused with currant, citrus, and caramel for a unique Parisan twist. Harney and Sons Paris tea bags. I can't wait to try that. I do love me some tea. Coffee is my number 1, but tea is definitely my runner-up. So I can't wait to try that out. Next we have in here, it says it's an LED kickstand mirror. This is by Laurella. Okay, this is a trifold travel mirror. Be sure you're looking tres belle wherever you go with this trifold mirror with kickstand and 8 LED lights. This would be great to put in my travel set because I definitely have a big one on my vanity area, but I don't have a small one that can just go with me if I travel. So that would be neat just to add to my traveling section. And this is what it looks like right there. And then you open it up. And then that is what it looks like. You're gonna see my fan and everything else, but you do have the lights inside. Let me see if it already is working. The lights look like they're actually gonna be shaped like a heart, but this is not turning on. There is 2 batteries in here, but maybe they're already dead. I don't know because it's not turning on. Okay, so a little update. I went to take these batteries out to replace them because the 2032 I actually do have. But then once I actually took one of the batteries out, I looked and this little tiny U-shaped plastic thing was literally sitting right here kind of on top of just that silver part right there. And I could not see that whatsoever. So that needs to be removed so then the actual battery can make contact. So you remove this little thing first and then you can put this back on. It just snaps back into place. And then now this should be on. So let's see. Can you see the little heart shaped light things now? So let me just push this power button and we have lights. There you go. So it's on and off. There's not like different levels or strengths. It's just on and off, quick and easy. Ooh, it says you had me at bonjour. Look at how pretty. That is really, really pretty. I love that design. So this is a journal, and at the top you have January through December and then 1 through 31. So whatever day you're journaling, you can just circle the month and circle the day, and there you go. You have your date, and that's on every single page throughout. But that is so cute, and I love how it matches with the theme. Okay, so, oh, there's another bag of tea. So there was 4 bags of tea in my box. The world needs more puzzles. Nice. So you do have this puzzle book right here. It does say that this on the back is a US value of $9.99. So this says long layover. There you go. That's a great thing if you are traveling. You can do this while you're waiting or in the plane. The time will fly with this pocket-sized book with 100 puzzles. So you have this entire book right there. So yeah, you can take that with you if you are traveling, because while you're sitting there at the airport or while you're in your plane, you have something to do. That is neat, and I love this entire theme. So that is everything for this particular July box. You have your puzzle book, you have your journal book, you have a travel-sized mini LED mirror. There is a travel jewelry case, or you can use for whichever. The best scrumptious treat in this box. And then there is 4 different tea bags. All right, you guys. So now that is everything for this July box. What did you think of the theme? What do you think of the items that they put in here around that theme? I just love how they put these boxes together. So if you would like a little bit more information about this subscription, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, SheCrafty, and that will take $15 off your very first box if you are interested. Send love and stay connected. Our mission is to help busy families send love and stay connected to loved ones with a curated selection of fun and practical items delivered each month. Gifts so fun you'll want one for yourself. So for this one, you can choose month per month. It's $59.99 with free US shipping. You will also receive exclusive member-only discounts from their marketplace to shop their shop. You can cancel at any time. You can also choose a 6-month plan. That is also $59.99. You get that free US shipping. You also get the member exclusive discounts, but you also receive a free welcome box. This is valued at $65. You can also choose the 12-month plan. This one will bring your box price down to $57.99. You will get all of those other amazing benefits, but you will also get a free cooler tote. So these are great boxes for yourself or for another. Definitely love the new themes every month and they stick to them, and I love that. So comment down below and let me know again what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.